Okay, unboxing number 1, scene 1, take 1, action.
Action. Are we recording? We're recording. Hey guys, it's Naya of AhhhSoNeo saying welcome back. I haven't done an unboxing in a while, but I got one for you guys. So if you'd like to see what I've picked up, I've got a little bit. Oh, you can't see it. Oh. So a little bit of a new unboxing. I've got some new things. I've got a little bit of Chanel. Another Chanel in this box, and some shoes. Lots of shoes. Well, 2 pairs of shoes. So if you'd like to see what I've picked up lately, watch on. Hey guys, welcome back to my video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Naya of AhhhSoNeo saying hello. What's up, lovelies? Hope you guys have been well. I know it's been a minute. I've kind of been avoiding the whole unboxing situation because there's a lot of stuff happening, but my job has completely gone bonkers, and so as a result I have been participating in some retail therapy. So yeah, if you've been here before, thanks so much for coming back. I've missed you guys. I've been doing a lot of the shorts lately and not so much actual videos, so you might not have seen any videos come through on your notifications, which means you haven't hit the bell. So hit the bell so you can be notified when I do post new videos. And yeah, subscribe. We always love new subscribers, so subscribe, and yeah, let's get this party going. So first up, Manolo. Who doesn't love Manolo Blahnik? I mean, hello. And I know with Manolo, it's either the classic Mary Janes that SJP wore in Sex and the City back in the day, which I don't believe are no longer in production, so that's not what this is. Or the other thing from Mr. Blahnik that we all get excited about is, of course, the Hangisis. And Mama got a brand new pair. So you guys know I have the blue Hangisis. I love them. And I tried to get the green ones, but then my daughter told me that they look like Christmas elf shoes. And once she said that, I couldn't unsee it. So I actually took them back to Neiman's. I was like, I can't. I just couldn't. So yes, you ruined that.
You could have been a pretty little elf. That could have been your Christmas costume.
So instead, we've decided to go with hot pink. This is I think the 95 and not the 105. Oh no, these are the 105s. Oh, excellent, lovely. The blue pair I have is also the 105, which is the best height ever. I wore them on date night, and I'll try to put a picture here. I had on like a white shirt, blue shorts, and the blue jeans and the blue shoes. And everybody was like, girl, you in those shoes. I was like, thank you. So of course I had to get a hot pink pair. Haven't taken them out for a spin yet. I plan to soon. About the Hangisis, I always buy them either in Neiman Marcus or I buy them at Saks, because when they have those little sales of theirs, 100 off of 500 or 200 off $1,000, which they do at least once a month, that's when you can pick them up and get you a little discount. So I think with taxes, yeah, I saved over $200 with those. Here's the other pair, slightly more reasonably priced. These are from Zara, and look at that heel. Isn't that gorgeous? It's not a tall heel at all, but I think because it's that lovely gold color, it's just like bam. I love it. These were 60 bucks. I think they're leather. I have no idea. But look at that. Look at that sexy pointy toe. I'm a sexy pointy toe kind of girl. Moving on. So this is actually kind of heavy, and I got it from Saks. So my Saks sales associate has a photo circle. I don't know. She told me to download some app, and she posts pictures on there that just get me into trouble. So I'm going to stop. I deleted it for a while. I did pretty good, and then I put it back. Anyway. But she put this on there, and she was like, hey, should I put you down for this? And I said, yeah, put me down for it. But I haven't actually seen it. So let's unbox it together, shall we? Oh, I think I'm gonna love it. It is a Chanel set of 3, and it's the coffee box. and it looks like this. Yeah, so it's a fashion, jewelry, and watches and perfume books. So I should actually get a second one, but I'm trying to think who I would gift it to for Christmas. But I love coffee table books. I have a couple fashion ones. I have the Louis Vuitton one. I love collecting these kinds of books. We finally get to the piece de resistance, the one that I've been waiting for. Again, this was on her photo circle. I told her to find it for me. I haven't opened it yet. This, you know, it's just kind of in there. But I finally get to open it. Oh, my camellia fell off.
My camellia fell off. Isn't it so pretty? I love the way that they wrap it. So we're gonna open it. My receipt from the store. Super excited, and I'm not sure.
There were two necklaces I told her I wanted, so I'm trying to think which one this is. I did. Oh yeah. So this is the necklace ND321. Please don't ask me what collection it's from. I'm not very good at that. Oh. Yay. Oh, great. Okay, I'm not. Oh, wow. Okay. First, I thought it was gonna be silver, but I'm pretty happy that it's gold. Look at the detail on that. Okay, look at the detail on that. It's actually very stunning. Goodness. The pearls look very well inlaid, and I love pearls. And I know for a fact I could not have gotten a string of actual, you know, pearls for what this was. Although that is on my list. I do want black pearls for my actual black pearls, not costume jewelry for Christmas. So we'll work on that. But yeah, look at that. I'm gonna try and put it on, but it's probably gonna be a challenge. Oh, I love it. I also had like a gift card to Saks because I cashed in some points, so I think that was like $100 off or something. Isn't that stunning? I love it. We're gonna keep this on for the rest of this show. Oh wait, that is the rest of the show. Okay, my face is back. So yeah, that's it. This is the gold pearly white and crystal necklace. Don't ask me which collection. I never know if it's 21K, 22, who knows? I don't know. But if you want to see the details, there they are. Oh, my camera is not working with me today. It is A64757. Stunning. So that's it. That is my little mini haul, because why not? Anyway guys, so thanks so much for stopping by. Guess who's gonna be looking good in the pearls? This girl. So yeah, thanks so much for stopping by, and yeah, keep watching. Subscribe, hit the notification bell, and of course, always choose happiness. It's a choice you get to make every day. Sometimes we don't always feel happy, yeah, granted, but we get to choose how we feel, right? Make the right choice for you.